Network Entertainment.
Welcome to Lecheng Pag-ibig To.
New episode every Wednesday.
Another podcast, and today is super exciting.
Super. We have a very special guest.
A good friend. I've worked with her for years. Sobrang nakakatawang tao. I follow her on social media. Minsan pa nga, no offense, pero nakikita ko pa lang siya, natatawa na ako. Natutuwa na ako.
Oo. Iba rin talagang komedyante to. Ang huli kong napanood sa kanya, yung magkakasama silang mga comedian. Tapos may challenge sa ABS-CBN show.
I watched
Anong
that.
title,
Tinapos
no?
ko yun.
Sa title of that. Nasa Netflix ba yun?
I
forgot the title. Kasama niya sina...
Hindi Netflix, Amazon Prime yata.
Yan.
If I'm not mistaken.
Last one
Puro
laughing.
sila komedyante. Yun. But anyway, eto na nga, Let's Genetics, we have today Miss Tuesday Vargas. Gusto mo yung napaka-formal sa Miss Tuesday?
Oo, lahat sila nakakamiss pag nakikita nila ako.
Since kayo super close kayo ni Sam, ano gusto mo itawag sa'yo? Tuesday? Ano ba talaga?
Ronald.
Is Tuesday your real name?
No, it's Marizel. Nakakaloka.
Tama. Paano
Very
naging
80s.
Tuesday?
Naku, that's another episode.
Mabilis na chika lang. Ano yan? Binigay na pangalan sa'yo?
Yeah.
Ng...
It's a screen name but it's actually based on a funny kwento. Pero alam na yan ng mga fans. So
Okay.
actually i-research nyo. Maloka
Bakit
kayo.
Tuesday and Tuesday?
Yeah.
But actually, it's a very interesting episode na we're gonna be having today. Kasi, of course, medyo on a different, we're talking about a different side of Tuesday. I specifically, if you're not following her on TikTok, i-follow nyo siya. Kasi yung content niya panalo, no? Pero may isang content na bigla akong nagulat. No? It spoke about you having a hard time getting up every day, how you were breaking out, how things were not as good as they thought people seemed it to be. Parang kung pinanood ka ng TV, pinapanood ka nila, parang, oy, okay to, parang laughter. Tapos biglang may nilabas kang ganun sa TikTok. We're gonna show the clip para may reference lahat. If you haven't seen the clip, panoorin nyo muna to.
Ako si Tuesday Vargas at simula ngayon, lagi na ako nandito. Kagaya ko rin ba ikaw na minsan napakahirap matulog o kaya bumangon sa kama? Yung balat mo parang tuyong-tuyo na, ang dami mo mga tagyawat. Tapos parang di mo na nakikilala yung sarili mo. Hindi naman ako ganito dati. Maganda naman ako. Maayos naman ako. Anong nangyayari? Tapos minsan bigla ka na lang naiiyak. Hindi mo na alam kung saan ang gagaling. Masayahin naman akong tao dati. Maraming kaibigan. Pero bakit ngayon parang ganito ang buhay? Gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na kahit walang tumutulong luha sa mata mo, pwede kang maging malungkot at normal lang maging malungkot sa araw-araw. Hindi ito sakit na hindi mo masasagot o masusolusyonan. Pero magiging problema ito pag di mo ginawa ng paraan. Kaya bukas, pagtingin mo sa pagsikat ng araw, sabihin mo, Panginoon, maraming salamat, binigyan mo pa ako ng isa pang araw para lumaban. Isa pang pagkakataon para mahanap ko ulit ang sarili ko. Salamat sa buhay na ito, sa mundong mayroon tayo, sa lahat ng taong nagmamahal sa akin, sa lahat ng concern sa akin, sa buhay in general. And pretty soon, nararamdaman mo na rin na bumabalik na yung dating ikaw. Pero sa ngayon, okay lang malungkot.
Okay. It was heavy.
Malalim.
And for some reason, nakarelate ako.
Ooh.
As a matter of fact, minessage ko pa nga siya. Tinanong ko kung okay ka lang.
So, siguro yun muna yung first question ko sa kanya. Okay ka na ba ngayon? How are you?
Honestly, no. Pero the bigger question is, am I in a hurry to be okay?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, yun yung yung medyo life goal ko ngayon.
Oh.
Especially this year. Kasi parang everybody seems to be like obsessed about healing. Yung
Wellness,
Wellness.
healing.
Oo, nagpipinerfect.
Oh,
Yan.
oh.
And when I went back to therapy, one of the things that I discussed with my doctor was parang, can you show this side of yourself to the people who follow you and people who like your content na masaya? Kasi
Yun nga eh.
it's part of understanding you na itong side mo na hindi mo normally pinapakita ay finally maintindihan ka na ng mga tao. So I was so scared of being judged or being viewed as somebody na, nagdadrama, nagsisik ng attention.
Are we living in that era, tingin mo
May
na?
ganon.
Aminin natin na...
Na pag may nag-post ng gano'n, feeling nila nagdadrama lang.
or parang just to get the likes, the
Or
views.
naghahanap ng atensyon.
Correct.
Naghahanap,
It's actually a trending thing on SOCMED na parang kinakapitalize na ang mental illness as a form of parang to get sympathy from people but in truth that wasn't my intention when I posted it. Aside from it being an advice from a professional I am speaking to, naisip ko din, oo nga, baka marami rin mga taong going through the same thing. Tapos baka makatulong ako in some way para lang di nila, siguro pinaka-basic, hindi kayo mag-isa.
yeah.
Even people you see who are constantly happy.
Yes. Like you.
Yeah.
Na komedyante, may pinagdadaanan din. Pero sinasabi mo nga, at first, hesitant kayo to share kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo. What made you say yes? Parang, anong nag-trigger para, okay, it's really time na i-share ko to on
And was
social
it
media?
hard to record a video like that? Kasi parang it seemed very natural. I was thinking, share mo ako na nangyari. Pero sa dulo, I like na medyo binigyan mo ng hope yung mga tao. Na may wake up today.
Yeah.
Pasalamat tayo, gising tayo. It's another day to fight, another day to go through this.
day
But
to
we're
live.
going through this. It's another day that we're fighting through this. But thank God we're alive. And we have the chance to actually fight through it.
Yeah.
So what made you say yes?
Hanggang ngayon nga, hindi ko pa rin alam kung nag-yes pa rin ako. Parang medyo pag pinapanood ko yung content, hindi din ako sanay. Ako mismo, na bakit ako ganyan? Parang I don't recognize myself anymore. Pero there's this one
Sorry,
instance.
teka. Papos lang ako doon. Kailan mo nasabi yun sa sarili mo na parang hindi ko
hindi
nakilala
siya
sarili ko?
yun.
How long? You've been in the industry for how long?
23 years.
Na nagpapatawa ng tao.
Yes.
When was that moment that you said, shit, di ko nakilala sa parang sino na ba ako?
So your format is a podcast. It's Talk TV in essence, diba? So I started doing this format like a year ago. Tapos I watched how I churned content after content after content. And I'm seeing another person na parang hindi ako. It's like I'm pretending to be somebody that I know people will like and absorb.
Kasi, were you doing it for the likes?
For the longest time.
Aminin natin. Kasi,
Yeah.
di ba? Okay, number one, why do we do it for the likes? Could be monetization.
Yes.
Could be, okay, sponsors. Maraming views tong taon to. Di ba? Malamang, pag marami akong views sa social media, baka may pumasok na brand sa akin. Like, let's say, si Chacha, pinapasukan ng mga Cartier.
Huy,
ng mga,
wow.
Yayaman
Wow,
yun.
I wish.
Oh my God.
Hindi ko nga alam ang spelling niyan. Char.
Diba? So, some people do it for that.
Or like yung persona nga. Kasi di ba when you're in showbiz or when you're a social media personality, may persona ka talaga eh. Na ito
Is
ka, may manager ka, ito dapat yung image mo. Tapos minsan, nahirapan ka nang kumawala dun sa image na yon.
Yes.
Kahit hindi ikaw yon, yun at yun na lang. Yung ginagawa mo. But deep inside you, alam mo, pag umuwi ka ng bahay, ako to eh.
So, did social
may
media...
ganun ka? Ganun yung nangyayari sa'yo? Before?
Yes, parang na-lose ko yung authenticity ko. Just
Yun.
trying to please,
That's
producers, fellow actors, guests. Sometimes even if I don't like the guests, ito, aminin ko na, not all the guests I like you guys. Sorry, not sorry. Tao lang ako. May
Tama
mga,
yun.
May mga
Oo,
values
totoo
ako.
yun.
Same.
Tama
Na
naman.
natatapakan, ganyan.
And we keep it to ourselves. Wala namang
Yes.
masama doon.
Trabaho
As a
to eh.
At
professional,
nagpapakatotoo ka lang, totoo yun. Hindi naman lahat gusto natin.
There was this one fan na sobrang masugid na fan. Ever since bata ako, fan ko yon. Tapos alam ko na nasundan niya yung career ko. And this particular episode, nag-message siya, sabi niya sa akin na there's sadness in your eyes.
Oh, wow.
Parang meron kang pinagdadaanan. And just like you, as simple as asking, are you okay? It made me think na, oh gosh, I'm not okay. And when I watched myself, nung nakita ko yung mga episodes na yun, na nakita ng fan, na they saw right through me, sabi ko, I can't go on living like this or sustain a career knowing full well na may mga mommies that look up to me, young women that I promote ang women empowerment, being strong and all of that. But technically, I am not practicing what I preach. So I pulled back a little bit. There was a season break that happened. And I took the time na talagang ginamit ko ng maayos yung oras na nag-reflect ako. I journal, nakakatulong siya, corny pero very high school. Sinusulat ko lahat ng nararamdaman ko, and when I read it back to myself, sobrang iyak ako ng iyak, and it didn't stop. So parang merong nag-break na barrier, tapos hindi ko na siya mapigilan.
Dire-diretso na.
Dire-diretso na siya. Tapos sabi ko, no, hindi na to maganda. It's not healthy. I should do something about it, because it started affecting my work. It made me question if I really have relevance in this industry, na hindi naman ako bibigyan ng Diyos ng ganitong mind and ganitong gift of gab if I'm not gonna use it in a way to help humanity. I know it sounds very Mother Teresa, pero ang laki ng pangarap ko for my career. Ang gusto ko maging iconic level. Like, pag sinabi nila yung pangalan na Tuesday Vargas, hindi lang comedy yung maiisip nila. They have to think that I'm also entertaining, but at the same time, I make sense.
May impact na
May
iiwan.
impact, may relevance ako sa society. So yun, nag-start with a fan or a person. Hindi ko na nga siya
That was
iniisip na
this
fan.
year. This year yan.
Yes.
This year lang. Tapos
This year
lahat na yon napaisip ka na but you're enjoying being a comedian.
Of course. Sometimes
Siyempre.
yun na lang yung nagli-lift sa akin from a bad mood. Like going to work, tapos you see people laughing at whatever you throw.
Nakakasaya.
Oh, kasaya. Nababalik yung energy.
I don't think that there will ever be something to replace. And I always tell this to people din. Yung feeling na kahit pagod na pagod ka, wala ka sa mood. You woke up on, with such a bad, basta sobrang sama ng gising mo, whatever. Pero nakapagpasaya ka ng tao. Wala siyang kapalit na feeling.
Totoo yan. At ganun lahat siguro ng nararamdaman din ng mga comedian. But the reason why I ask you that is, sabi mo kasi, after all these years, you've been in the industry for 23 years. And yet, this year, one fan asked you, parang may sadness sa mata. Tapos it made you realize kung, teka, ito bang ginagawa ko? Is this what I'm made for? Parang napaganong ka. May ganong question. Yan, yan. Di ba? Pero kasi kaya ako tinanong dahil may mga tao, nandun sila sa industry, they're doing it for the money, for the work.
For the
Pero
likes. Wag natin
ikaw,
tanggalin yung
There's
for the
nothing wrong
likes.
with that.
For the likes.
and there's nothing wrong for doing it for money if it's work. Walang masama doon.
Minsan yun yung validation, tsaka aminin natin. If you've been quite, in the industry for quite some time, nandun yung fear, wag natin tanggalin na, shit, baka laos na ako next year. Baka laos na ako in 5 years. Baka ito na yung last project ko. Baka after 2 years, wala nang kukuha sa akin. There's always gonna be that constant fear. I think it falls for athletes, for people
everyone.
in the entertainment industry compared to people who are working in, let's say, corporate jobs. Alam mong, okay, 10 years, akat ako ng corporate ladder. For people like us, I guess, in this industry, it's always push harder because you don't know if this is gonna be your last show. This is gonna be the last time somebody's gonna get you. Relevant ka pa ba next year? Meron na bang papalit sa'yo? Meron na bang mas nakakatawa? Mas magaling? That's always gonna be a fear at the back of your head.
Yeah. So, eto ngayon, nung napa-question ka na, balikan ko yon kasi nga sabi mo, napatanong kayo parang, okay, gusto mo sabi mo kasi, gusto mo ng impact. You enjoy being a comedian, pero gusto mo may iiwan ka sa kanila. Yung purpose mo, something like that. So, yung calling mo, pakiramdam mo, hindi talaga yung pagiging comedian? Is that what you're saying? Yun yung na-realize mo this year?
Yeah, parang ang nangyari kasi in my career, I saw an episode that you guys did about, marriage and living in. Parang yan yung pinaka-recent niya, diba? So, it's a function of two things when you're getting older. Para lang matouch natin yan yung paano yung perspective ko sa career ko now. When we were younger, I don't know kung magkakaedad tayo, but I'm 27 now, so ano.
Magkaedad
Ha,
na.
Charis!
Matanda ka lang ng 2 years. Tanda ka lang 2 years sa akin.
Grabe, 25 ka, yung tunay.
Well, yes, 24 lang talaga.
Hoy!
Sige, oo na lang ako sa inyo.
Oo, di ba? Pag nagkakaedad ka, parang syempre, hindi yan midlife crisis lang. Yung dalawa, physical aspect, tas yung mental aspect. Physical aspect, syempre, nag-hormonal imbalance ka na, nababawasan na yung mga
Yung
normal.
pasensya mo,
Yung pasensya mo,
nababawasan.
numinipis, parang nakakairita na lahat ng bagay, ganon. So, yun yung physical aspect. Kaya napapatanong ka na rin, ano ba to? Ano ba nangyayari? Ganyan. And then the mental aspect is yung parang, huy, may maiiwan ba ako? Kasi palapit na ng palapit yung dulo ng laban, parang gano'n.
Okay.
May
Nafe-feel
maiiwan.
mo na, nafe-feel mo na.
Lalo pa ako, mommy ako. Tapos I see my son growing up, becoming a man. He has his
And
own
you want
thing.
your son to look up to you.
Yes, may
Oo.
ganun ding aspeto na I want to become a person na nagkaroon
You will
din
be
ako ng
proud of.
value sa mundo na to.
Oo.
Yes, I'd be proud of. So, pagdating sa career, nung nire-review ko yung career ko, I've done so many things. Yun yung yung
Feeling mo ba na marami ka ginawa pero kalat?
hindi nga eh. Doon nga ako natutuwa sa sarili ko. Kasi I dabbled in music. I won awards.
Correct.
Best-selling mga awards. I did theater. I also won awards. I did excellent. Academically,
Okay din.
ako. Wala rin akong problema. Tapos yung career sa showbiz, okay din.
Yeah,
I did movies, I did
Kaliwat
sitcoms,
kanan ng racket.
drama,
True.
lahat
Oo,
nagawa ko
oo.
na. So, I make sure every time I enter something, prepared ako, ginagawa ko yung best ko para, you see this, when I coordinate, di ba kung gaano ako, minsan naiirita mga supplier kasi napaka-anal ko sa detalye.
This was just like 2 weeks ago. We were hosting an event. Ako mismo para kasi ako knowing me,
Perfectionist.
napaka-chill kong tao. Briefing, upo ka dyan, girl. Sige, brief mo. Ako naman parang, okay. Siya talagang, okay. May hawak niya yung ballpen niya. So ito, ano nga?
Sorry.
Ako napaano ako. Sabi ko, am I not professional enough?
Nerd.
No. Pero napaka-nerd niya. She
Yeah.
wants to, everything is
Perfectionist.
everything has to be perfect. And we've worked so many times, even on TV shows and whatnot. And the professionalism of Tuesday is on another level. Pero feeling mo ba, despite all that, namin minention na nangyari, kulang pa?
Achievements
Yes.
and all
Feeling mo
that.
kulang pa rin?
Yes.
When is it gonna be enough?
I know. Yun nga yun.
Wait,
Wait,
Is
are
it
you
gonna be enough?
Hindi yung achievements yung hinahanap mo?
Oo.
Like,
Ano ba?
Like,
But
Fulfillment.
Fulfillment.
I think.
That's the term.
Yeah,
Fulfillment.
fulfillment.
Okay. Let's
Kasi
talk about that.
going back to what I was saying, no, yung living in and getting married, no, I think we're talking about the wrong thing. Like yung setup ng buhay, hindi yan eh. Ano ba ang buhay ng mga tao ngayon? So napaka-demanding ng buhay from us ngayon.
Super.
Ang dami mong kailangang gawin.
Tapos wala kang oras.
Wala
Ang
ka
dami
pang
mong
oras.
kailangang gawin. Wala kang oras para
Yeah.
gawin.
Moms can relate to this. Ang galing ng mga nanay ha. Sa 5 oras, kaya mo maglaba, maglinis sa bahay, mag-alaga ng anak, magturo ng lesson, magluto.
Magpagupit.
I feel you.
Magpagupit.
At
I
dapat pag
feel
uwi ni
you.
Mr. lalambingan pa
Ay,
kayo.
Diyos ko, Day. Na
Kasi baka
minsan pagod ka na, hindi ka naman makakahindi.
Pero dapat, ano ka pa rin, mag-under
Correct.
ka pa
Commercial
rin.
break
correct.
If you haven't seen, kung hindi ba naman stories nitong si Chacha, ang time niya para mag-jogging
Ay, meron.
ay alas 3 na umaga. Alas 3. Bago, pucha, sino nagja-jogging alas 3? Tapos yung asawa niya may flashlight para
Oo,
talisod.
para support, di ba?
Oo. Kaya kung yung may mga sirang daan, alam nyo kung gusto nyo magawa yan, mag-hire kayo mga nanay.
Tapos agad yan.
Oo, dalawang pwede nyo hire.
DSWD.
Adik, tsaka nanay.
Alam nyo,
Adik at nanay.
tapos
Tama.
yan. Okay. As you were saying. Ang dami kailangan gawin, wala tayong oras.
Ang dami expectations, tapos patas ng patas ang
Correct.
bara. Tapos at the same time, tumatanda ka, humihina ka, numinipis. Parang reverse yung kailangan ng buhay.
True.
So, nangyayari sa'yo.
Yung kailangan gawin, tumataas. Yung
Ikaw,
kaya mong gawin, bumaba.
Yung energy level mo pababa.
Yes.
Yung dami ng responsibilities pataas.
Correct. So, that's when I
Yung tindi ng
realized.
problems, tumitindi.
Correct.
Diba?
Doon ko na napagtanto na para bang mali yung binibigyan ko ng focus at ng weight. So,
What
I
were you
keep on
focusing on?
productivity, income-generating activities.
Fair enough.
Which is not bad kasi
Kailangan
kailangan
yun
ng
eh.
lahat ng tao ng
Kailangan.
pera.
Kailangan ng
Usapan
pera,
lang
true.
namin kanina. Bibili ng bagong condo. Sabi ko,
Diyos
teka
ko, ako
lang.
na naman.
May
Huwag ka
episode-
maniwala
May
dyan.
episode tayo with
Lahat
Tuesday.
ikaw may
Lahat
kasalanan.
naman ako.
May episode tayo with Tuesday. Yun muna. Okay.
Oh,
oh.
ito muna. Sige,
Dali,
tuloy.
tama, income. Wala
Mamaya
tayong-
yung kondo, medyo pahapon na eh.
Wala
Dapat
tayong-
umaga daw binibili.
Oy, oo, tsaka bago mag-ghost month.
Naku, sana yan ang problema natin, pero hindi.
Pero hindi.
Okay, oh. So you need to make your money.
You need to make your money, you need to make your mark, you need to be
relevant.
famous. Diba?
Saan ka nag-focus? Yung tanong ni Sam.
Yun ang focus na dapat ngayon, especially in my 40s, and i-reveal ko na, I'm turning 45 in November. So sabi ko, nakalimutan ko yung sarili ko.
Okay.
I keep on giving and very
Chasing.
May oras
chasing.
ka for
Yeah.
Chasing.
everything. For
Yeah.
your kid, for your partner,
Yeah.
for the job, for your
Social
friends.
media. Ano pa post mo today?
Yes.
But for yourself.
Wala akong natitira. Wala natitira talaga. At the end of the day,
Kailan mo na-realize yun?
yun nga, nung when I quit a certain show, and then I had time to be alone and listen to my thoughts, I quit everything. I quit vaping, I quit going out at night, I quit drinking, I quit hanging out with the wrong people. Ang dami kong kinwit ng sabay-sabay, cold turkey. I'm now living a straight edge, clean life.
Wait, that year, this same year,
This year yun. This year, yeah.
everything happened this year.
In one fell swoop.
What
Hindi
was-
like dahan-dahan na
Cold
boom,
turkey
Biglaan.
lahat.
As in, oo, parang nag-iossi ka ngayon, bukas talagang wala na bigla.
Ayaw ko na.
Ganon. Okay, what was this show? Ano tong show na to that
Alam
we're
ng
talking
lahat
about?
yan.
Ano to?
Dito
Yun
pa
naman yung
natin
show
ito
niya kasi.
pag-uusapan.
Kasi naging part dapat ako ng show na yan.
Wait lang, anong show to?
Naging part dapat ako ng show
Huwag
na
na
yan.
natin pag-usapan.
Bubulong na lang. Ano to?
Ayun na, pero wag i-bleep nyo na. Basta alam nyo na yun.
Anyway.
Okay, tuloy.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So, you quit the show because, yun nga,
Yeah, it's not just because of one thing. It's
A lot of things.
number one.
everything
everything.
that's happening to you. Yun yun. Oh.
It's and I wish them well. Ang ganda ng format, ang ganda ng
Idea.
ganda ng
Maganda sa idea.
But I think at this point in my life, it's not for me. If I'm not being authentic, if I'm lying to myself every time I go to work and I can't stomach whatever is coming out of my mouth.
Ginagago mo sarili mo.
Yeah, parang, uy, hindi ito yung Izel. Izel kasi is what my friends call me. Hindi ito yung Izel na pinalaki ng nanay at tatay ko kasi I admire my parents so much. We're not a perfect family, but you know what my parents always tell me? Anak, it's not an accident that you're like this. Alam na nila, bata pa lang ako, iba tong bata na to. Imagine 3 years old, I fill tapes pa nun, voice tapes back to back with just me talking and singing to my titas abroad.
At
so they
3.
won't feel as lonely. 3, 4.
At 3 years
And I still have
old.
those
Wow.
tapes.
Wow.
And nung nagpunta ako ng Japan, because they're in Japan, hello, tita, yan. Pag punta ko doon, ay, pakinggan mo to. Akala ko kung ano, sino yan? Ikaw
Ikaw.
yan. Sabi sa akin. Tapos doon ako na-remind na it's not an accident that I'm like this. I need to do something to go back to that child, to go back to that curiosity, that happy child,
Sorry.
that version
I
of
have
me.
I wanna focus on that pause. That moment na, shit, yung nag-cold turkey ka, ayoko na to.
Yeah.
Tama na to. What triggered that moment? Paano mo nila? Kasi a lot of people might be going
Is
through
it
the same
like
thing.
yung mga katrabaho
Correct?
ba?
Was it an episode na may nangyari?
Yung working environment? I mean, like, may particular ba na pinagawa na hindi mo gusto?
Umuwi
Ano
ka
nga
ba?
nag-trigger?
Napagod ka na. Sabi mo,
Or
shit, ayoko
dire-diretso
na
yung
to.
trabaho mo. Tama, na walang
Kasi may
pahinga.
ganun, may days na ganun, di ba?
yun.
Shit, ayoko na.
We numb ourselves so much every day with things we think will help us. If it's not, intoxicating things, maybe it's becoming too busy. Na you are
Para lang
avoiding.
hindi mo maisip.
Hindi mo maisip. Ma-avoid mo yung problema mismo. O kaya, you indulging yourself do sa cravings mo, like sugar, for example. Yan, pati sugar, I minimized it. I didn't remove it completely. But with my condition, kasi I'm diagnosed with so many things, no? And for you, if you're undiagnosed, don't diagnose yourself. Don't self-medicate, no?
Yeah.
Go to
Pero
a doctor.
pag-diagnose ka, kasi importante yan. Health is wealth. I don't think it's been more important and said so many times like this year, pero health is very important.
Yes.
Everything. So and if you don't get diagnosed, whether it's a mental thing, a physical thing, you would never know. Hula ka lang ng hula. Ah, shit. Ganito. Ganyan. We're not pros at these things.
Yeah,
Go
yeah,
to a pro who would know and be able to help you out with what you're going through.
Totoo. Tsaka you think you have so many problems until you have a health problem and then you only have one problem.
Yan talaga yun.
Kasi number one yan dapat. Okay?
Miss
So,
3 a.m., jogging tayo. Bukas.
tingnan mo siya.
Sabay ba kayo sa akin?
i-message kita
No,
mamaya 3
medyo,
a.m.
can I be honest, Lechenatics? Medyo windang ako with everything that you're sharing. Not because that nakaka-relate ako, but because I feel like maraming makaka-relate sa'yo.
Ako
yung,
mismo.
yung akala nila na okay sila, but deep inside, hindi. Tapos
Yes.
nadurog ka ng todo, biglang umayaw ka na lang.
Totoo.
Or,
Na, sana, wag mangyari.
Wag nyo
Pero
nang
yun
hintayin.
Pero yun kasi yun nangyari sa'yo.
Yeah, nadurog talaga.
Pero now na nilet go mo lahat, did it help? Or sometimes napapaisip ka na, baka dapat di ko ginawa yun. Baka burst, yung emotions ko lang.
nag-implode ka lang. Oh.
It's confusing, something that you do for yourself for the first time na you stand up for yourself, you put your feet down, sabihin mo, this is not serving me anymore. Pag hindi ka ganong person na hindi ka nakakapagsalita, kasi ganon ako, like, gusto ko lahat okay. Gusto ko just to keep the peace, I'd rather
Good
keep
vibes.
quiet and then endure the pain later on. Kasi kaya ko eh. Ginagawa ko na yan, bata pa lang ako. Like, I'm the ate, I'm the bearer of all the family's, kung ano man yan, mga trauma, ganyan. I'm the fixer. It's the first time in my 40s na sinabi ko na, teka lang,
Ako naman.
muna.
Ako naman.
Hindi naman. Ako muna. minsan ganun parang akala nyo selfish kayo pag ginawa nyo yun. Ako naman. Hindi, muna. Kasali pa rin sila, pero teka lang muna kayo.
Sarili mo
Saglit lang.
muna.
Ako muna.
Oo,
ako
sarili
muna.
mo muna.
So, I was saying to myself nung sabi ko, finally, kailangan ko na i-quit lahat. Yun, going back to numbing things and avoiding. Maraming tao na ganyan, na akala nila kapag tinabi ko muna,
Magiging
mawawala.
okay na.
Magiging okay. Huwag natin pag-usapan.
Minsan, I admit, baka nga ganun ako minsan.
Oo.
Na there are days na alam mo,
Pina-brush off mo lang.
Tama
parang
na,
malunod ka lang, di ba? You tawag ng doomsday scrolling, di ba? Scroll ka lang, parang hindi mo maisip. Try to entertain yourself with other things. Either uminom ka na lang, uminom mo na lang yan. Mag-scroll ka na lang, or...
Alam mo yan, single malt people tayo. Ayan, inaamin na namin.
Or sometimes even you work out para lang, let me just work out para hindi ko na maisip.
Yeah.
Even that.
Endorphins, drugs din yan.
Correct.
Hi, guys. We are the Eavesdrop Podcast. My name is Francesca.
My name is Jelly.
This is Delamar.
This is Jude. What's up?
Yeah, and we are inviting you to check us out, your fellow TPN podcast.
And if you want to learn more about life, what's happening around us, you want to know about love, healing, this is the podcast you should be listening to.
Eavesdrop, 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 eavesdrop. Sometimes we get drunk and do the show. Those are the fun ones.
Like today,
Ooh, why? Who's drunk?
Like right now.
you're red as a bug.
Am I? Eavesdrop, please catch it. 4 hosts going crazy. You'll have fun. You'll cry. Everything else. So please check it out. The Eavesdrop.
Only on the Pod Network.
And I actually had this problem earlier this year. I'll share it in another episode. I was gaining so much weight and I was working out every day. Nagpa-podcast
Ironic,
na tayo.
diba?
Oo.
Yeah.
And I was actually getting bigger. Me considering I was working out every day. I was getting bigger pa. And tas nag-diet pa ako. Sabi ko, shit, ano nangyayari? I thought I had to see an endocrinologist. Sabi ko, it might be a hormonal problem kasi baka thyroid or something. Sabi ko, ang weird nito. Ginagawa ko na lahat. Diet, workout. Pero nagba-backfire.
Yes.
And then, that's true. That's when you realize that, okay, it's hindi na nga siya, okay ka after you work out kasi endorphins, na-brush off mo yung whatever's going through your head.
Hindi mo na, parang pag-iinom ka rin with your friends pag may problema. Diba? Ba't ba natin siya ginagawa before? Yung umiinom tayo, parang saglit makakalimutan natin yung problema. Pero pag uwi mo ng bahay, problema
Nandun pa
pa rin
rin.
siya.
Or when you wake up the next day with a hangover,
Sa'yo,
worse.
ang ginagawa ni Tuesday sa kanya, ito yung problema, tinatabi mo, nagkaroon ulit ng problema, tatabi mo lang ulit.
Ang bigat na.
You don't face kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo that time.
No.
So, sumabog ka talaga.
Sumabog talaga ako. Ano yan? Ang tingin ko sa problema ko maliit. Mini-minimize ko lagi yung para sa akin. Kasi mamaya na ako, kailangan ako ng kapatid ko.
Bigger
Kailangan
things.
ako ng nanay ko, kailangan ako ng anak ko, ng mga katrabaho ko, ng mga kaibigan ko. Taon-taon lagi ko yung ginagawa na para bang, hindi naman sa inuuna ko sila kasi I really thought they would like me because I serve them like in a way.
Sila yung
And
priority.
nagdubuo na ako ng expectation na wala nang nagtatanong sa akin kung okay lang ako.
May
Kasi
nagalit ba nung ginawa mo yun?
wala,
My
masaya sila lahat.
God.
Hindi nila ako napapansin na ano lang ako.
Wait,
na,
nung
may
time-
problema na pala ako.
Pero nung time na may problema ka,
Walang dumamay sa akin.
I mean, your family, yung
Did they know?
No,
Yeah, nalaman ba
Ngayon
nila
lang
to?
nila nalalaman. Ngayon
When
lang.
you posted the video, dun lang din nila nalaman.
Yeah,
And
gulatan.
And you were breaking out, diba? Talaga, I mean, I believe this kasi I also went through it. Your body and even your
Response
physical.
to what you do.
yung physical mo kasama lahat.
Magre-respond.
But you
Kala
look
mo
good
lang.
now, by the way.
Thank you so
So I
much.
feel like baka mas
Blooming.
blooming ka ngayon.
Go to
Can I just
therapy.
say? Ganda ng skin, maayos siya. So medyo
Thank you.
nakatulong lahat ng pagsarado mo ng doors itong kung sino man sila.
Totoo.
It hit me when you said na wala nagtatanong sa akin kung okay ba ako.
No one's checking up on you.
Yeah.
And,
Kasi
and
ikaw
we-
lagi
and
ang
we live-
nangangamusta sa kanila.
Yes. No.
Kasi gusto mo lahat sa paligid mo maayos, you forgot yourself.
Yes.
And that was such a pandemic thing. Naalala niyo yung pandemic, lahat ng tao sinasabi, check on your friends, kamustahin mo. But aminin natin, when you ask somebody, kamusta ka? what do you normally say? I'm good.
Pautang.
I'm good.
Kakabahan kapag may nagtanong.
Pag matagal mo nung di ka usap, tapos
musta?
Musta.
Tsaka yung musta yung
O kaya
Messi.
may ipapalike.
Musta, tapos Gcash yung kasunod.
Diba?
Gcash
Hindi,
number. No?
gagi, it's always, kamusta? Check on your friends, especially
Pero
in the pandemic.
malaking bagay yun Malaking bagay yun for someone who's going through something or a lot na hindi alam siguro ng iba because magaling ka magtago ng emotions mo at ng pinagdadaanan mo. So, siguro, for me, first lesson sa ngayon sa sinishare niya is may mga tao tayong kilala na okay sila, super happy nila, pero di mo alam ang tindi ng baggage. Hindi ibig sabihin hindi na natin tatanungin kung kumusta ba
No,
sila.
alam mo problem, it's not just that, it's not even asking Minsan, kahit tanongin mo yung tao, kamusta ka? Okay naman, I'm good.
No, sometimes,
It's-
may pagkakataon, may
it's
tinanong ako ng
opening
ganyan,
up.
nag-breakdown. Di kami close Nagtanong ako, kumusta ka? Nasa
Yun na nga
elevator?
implosion.
Nakanti mo yung masakit.
Uy, kamusta? Tapos yung saya ko yung parang, uy, kamusta? Dahil doon lang kami nagkita.
Umabot ka na sa implosion.
Breakdown. Nag-implode.
Minsan nakakatakot yung mga musta. Baka may mga
Exactly.
mga ganun na nangyari.
No, kasi minsan, you say you're good kasi you brush it off Ayaw mo ng mahabang usapan.
Or it's not the right moment to talk about it
Correct.
amongst people.
Yun.
Yung
Small talk,
environment.
we're living in a world where wala, puro tayo small talk
Totoo
Puro tayo, kamusta? Okay naman. Nakinabisi mo ito, after 5 minutes, you probably go to the next thing and the next person. Like, to sit
Wala na
down with
agad.
friends, to sit down. I guess, for me and Chacha, that's why we still love doing this podcast after
This is our
5 years.
outlet.
Ito yung outlet. Ito yung tarang mag-usap tayo ng seryoso.
Dito namin nilalabas lahat. Parang yung gusto pinapagawa sa'yo nung doktor mo.
We don't have to agree.
Share this
Oh.
version of you.
Hindi naman kailangan mag-agree kami sa lahat ng bagay. Pero,
Correct.
wala, at least, pag-usapan natin. Kasi, ang daling mag-check up on people, pero it's also hard to make somebody or to actually trust somebody with things you're going through.
Sige. Ito, trust ang pinag-uusapan. One of the things I also removed are toxic people in my life. Hirap na hirap
How
akong...
do you determine?
Ang hirap na hirap ako maano kasi akong tao. As a Scorpio and an empath, naniniwala ako dyan na when I enter a room, I read the room super well. Alam ko kung sino dito yung mga siraulo. Alam ko dito
Magaling
yung...
siyang umano ng tao mo.
In fairness to to. May
Yung
ganun siya. may
maliit
ganun.
na galaw, alam ko
Alam
ang
niya,
ibig sabihin. Alam ko kasi function yan ng host. Alam mo yan. Na you read the room. Function din yan ng stand-up comedian na when I throw this joke and it doesn't sit, baka kailangan kong
Shift.
umibas. O shift. Okay. Parang pagdating natin doon sa last event, ang regal-regal natin, pero yung crowd pala, masa.
Exactly.
Iba-ibahin mo yung language. Ganun din. So, I find it really difficult na when it comes to friends, minsan sobrang lakas kong magtiwala kasi nga, all this time, I've been hacking things alone. So, essentially, my friends are my family. Sila na yung parang mga naging kapatid ko. So, mabilis ako magtiwala, lalo na pag nahuli mo yung loob ko. And then, my heart gets broken every single time. Every single time. These
By
people,
friends?
By friends that I trust with my life. Na akala ko, naintindihan mo ako, akala ko, gets mo yung lahat kasi nakita mo ako mula pagkabata, some of them, ganyan. But then, may mga nangyayari sa'yo na hindi maganda. Na instead of a friend being a soundboard, like, yun pala, when you're a friend, sometimes, unsolicited advice can be masked as control. Huwag kayong magbibigay ng advice sa kaibigan nyo nang hindi nila hinihingi.
True.
You are not there to coach your friends. You are there to be a friend. And what is a friend what is a friend
Just
supposed to do?
listen.
Sit.
Oo, listen.
Be a person.
Be there
Hold
for you,
space. Diba? Hindi mo kailangang tamain ang direksyon ng buhay ng kaibigan mo or, eto pinakayoko, husgahan yung kaibigan mo dahil may problema siya. Kaya nga yan lumapit sa'yo kasi may problema siya eh. Tapos ngayon gagawin mong para kang life coach, ikaw yung, kasi sabi ko na sa'yo, di ba?
Yun,
Bakla.
sabi ko sa'yo.
Nakakala ba bakla?
Or what's even worse is that ikaw pa ginawang chismis.
Yun,
yun ang mas mahirap
Ikaw pa
doon.
ginawang pulutan. Sige, nakinig nga sa problema mo.
Pagtalikod mo, ulam ka.
After 2 weeks, butya ba't alam na ng lahat yung pinagdaanan ko.
Yes, madaming ganyan.
And I think that's one of the things that as human beings we're scared to deal with. I mean, we're scared to share because yun nga, you don't know if I'll be vulnerable with you. Paano pag after 2 weeks, share mo yung vulnerability ko
Correct, sa
with
ibang
other
tao.
people? That's a scary
True.
thing. That's a very, kaya nangyayari sa atin, hindi, I'll keep it to myself na lang. Baka ako pa maging, yun nga, ulam ng ano nyo.
Yeah, and
Ako pa chismis.
one advice I could give to people going through the same thing, don't let life harden you up. Don't let these people who betrayed you or yung trust na binigay mo, they squandered it. Don't let those people make you believe that you cannot trust anymore, that there are not friends out there that can be gotten and be involved in your life that can improve your quality of life. Meron at meron pa ring mabubuting tao, but it taught me na bago ako maging kind sa mga tao na ito, na akala ko ay mapagkakatiwalaan at mamahalin ako, magiging kind muna ako sa sarili ko. And when I'm being abused, for example, na inuusgahan, sinasalitaan, nagkakaproblema na nga ako, tinatapak-tapakan mo pa ako. Dati lalayo na lang ako. This time around, sinasabi ko na, don't do that to me. Para hindi na nila ulitin sa ibang tao.
Marunong ka na magsalita.
Oo.
But if I may ask, no, kung okay lang, ano exactly yung ginawa sa'yo? Kasi you're not talking about just a single friend. Friends ang
parang
madami
marami.
to. Are these people in the industry that you're talking about? I mean, ano exactly ginawa sa'yo? Nag-share ka and then chinismis ka nila sa iba, or you shared something and then ginudge ka mismo sa harap mo? Paano? Ano mismo yung ginawa?
Ano kasi, etong industriya natin ng entertainment, no, isa ito sa pinaka hindi na papag-aralan kung gaano kalaking abuse ang nangyayari sa atin dito.
That is so true.
Kasi it's the business of show. So we're showing what people like, what people will pay for, but it's not necessarily the truth.
It's not you, it's not the truth.
Yeah. And when I became me as Tuesday Vargas, some people who were my friends when I was still Izel without the Tuesday Vargas name, parang mas gusto na lang nila yung Tuesday Vargas, mas gusto na lang nila yung masaya, komedyante, makulit, ganyan. Nakalimutan nila yung Izel na
Tao ka
part.
rin.
Tao rin ako.
Talaga,
Tapos minsan nawiwirdohan ako na gano'n, uy, magkakasama tayo nung nagiinuman tayo sa Sara sa mabahong CR tayo, nagkukwentuhan. Tapos wala yung 20 pesos pinaghahatian natin para makauwi tayo. Tapos ngayon parang iba. I know people change. I know that. People evolve. People become different things in their lifetime. But essentially, I'm still me. I'm the friend that you know, that listen to you nung may problema ka. Ngayon ako naman, parang hindi pwede kasi ine-expect mo na
Dahil masaya ka.
masaya lang ako lagi. Hindi,
Or-
Huy, Izel, I'm not used to you crying like that. Stop it.
Or even people think na marami ka naman racket, marami kang pera, malamang wala kang problema.
Oo nga.
There's
bakit
always
ganun
that
ba yun?
notion. Meron din notion na ganun.
Totoo yun.
Diba?
May
So,
mga
you always
ganon.
have to remind people sometimes.
Or sometimes sasabihin sa'yo, yan lang naman yung problema mo. Ako nga, ito pinagdadaanan ko eh.
Parang contest.
Yes,
Oo.
contest ba ito?
Oo,
True,
totoo.
true.
No, kaya nga, diba, I always have to remind people, sometimes the you can have everything in life, diba? Parang the wealthiest people are sometimes the saddest also.
True.
Ito may mga pamilya,
Fact
minsan they
yan,
can't even get a
fact.
family together. They can't even, get their lives together. But they can buy whatever they want. Diba?
Yeah.
They can buy whatever they want tomorrow. And sabi nga lang, God is fair. Diba? You can have this, but you can't have that. Sometimes you can have everything you want, but not all at the same time.
Yes.
Maybe at this time you get this. Maybe at this time you get something else, diba?
Yeah.
And if it's not yet the time for you to have it, maybe it's not yet the time for you to have it.
Correct.
Maybe you can't handle it yet.
Rejection is not really bad. It's sometimes redirection.
Correct.
Yeah. When diba, sometimes when God closes the door, sometimes He opens a window.
Totoo yan.
You have to be creative when you attack life. Kasi yan nga yung gift natin art form eh. In Plato's Republic, number 1, hindi politician, hindi freedom fighter, hindi soldier. Ang number 1 ay artist. Because we are mandated by the heavens to create something out of nothing. And we inspire people. We change lives. We change the way people think. And if we don't use our power, I think it's a superpower na meron tayong ganitong gift. Then, anong purpose natin sa mundo?
Pero
Bakit
yun
pa
ang
tayo
pina-
naging artist?
Yan ang
diba?
pinakamahirap. Diba? Also reinvention and taking things to a higher level.
Yung ginagawa niya ngayon, kasi hindi sana yung tao na nakikita siya.
Na seryoso.
seryoso or sinasabi, nilalabas kung ano talaga yung pinagdadaanan mo. Going back dun sa sinasabi mo kanina, na mga friends mo, na hindi mo na friends ngayon, kasama sila sa mga in-out mo sa buhay mo. Kung tama yung pagkakaintindi ko, it's because gusto nila Happy Tuesday lang.
Yeah.
They don't like seeing you like this. Nung time na yun na sinasabi nila yun sa'yo, nung baka medyo emotional ka, hindi mo ba naisip na baka na-take mo yun negatively dahil baka lang gusto nila for you to be okay?
Yes. Actually, kaya nga hindi ka maka-interact ng tama sa iba kasi hindi ka nga okay. Kaya kailangan ayusin mo muna yung sarili mo before. Parang kumbaga, debriefing. Pag kunyari something traumatic happened to you, kailangan may debriefing bago ka i-introduce ulit into the normal world. Kasi nga, ang hirap ng mundo ngayon. So, yes, it's a function of being overwhelmed by so many things and me being emotional, me being perimenopausal, me being diagnosed with my conditions ngayon. But yes, totoo yun. Pero at the same time, pag may tinanong kang isang bagay, it opens up like a tabula rasa of so many things na matagal nang nakatago. Finally, ngayon palang lumalabas.
Ina-out mo eh. You
Ito
want
na yung
to
time.
share this, pero hindi nila tinatanggap.
Parang bawal kang maging tao. Doon ako nasaktan eh. Hindi ako nag-OMOA, hindi din ako nagdadrama. Finally, ito yung tao na gusto kong makita nyo. Na sana mahal nyo pa rin ako kahit na ngayon ko lang to pinapakita. Sana tanggap nyo pa rin ako at kaibigan ko pa rin kayo, nandyan lang kayo. Pero may mga iba hindi nila kaya. Kasi sila din, may pinagdadaanan din sila.
May kanya-kanya
And you
kayong
see the
pinagdadaanan.
reflection.
Yeah, so
Diba
distansya
nangyayari?
muna. Oo, hindi naman bad yun.
Meron bang backlash or something that you've been getting because of what you've been doing? Like you've been more open, more raw, I'd say. If there's a term,
Unfiltered.
Unfiltered, diba? Meron bang backlash? Oy, ano nangyayari? Ganyan.
May konti, pero na-surprise ako na nag-resonate siya sa maraming tao. Mas positive yung experience ko. That's why you see, I'm okay now. Medyo kahit papano, nag-improve, mas magaan. Kasi ang daming nakarelate. There's this one person, I don't know if you're watching, sabi mo, pinapanood mo ko lagi. Hawak na niya yung lubid. Pinicturean niya yung lubid. Nung ginawa ko yung post ko, nagbago yung isip niya, hindi na niya tinuloy yung kung ano man yung gagawin niya. Tapos, nung kinukwento niya kung paano ko na-impact yung decision na yon, hindi because malakas ako, pinakita ko na mahina ako at naramdaman niya na pwede ding maging mahina tas buhay ka pa rin.
True.
I think that's, gusto ko yung sinabi mo yan. In a world where everybody is expecting you to be strong, is
be
expecting you to be okay,
Yeah.
is expecting you na parang,
To always be happy.
I'm dealing with so much shit, but I can do this. I can still do this. I can still do that. That's also something I actually go through, in life, and even for myself. Just yesterday, parang ang dami nangyari the whole week, and I just needed the day to myself, and parang I couldn't snap out of it. And I was like, shit, alam mo yun, nag-workout pa ako. Yun nga, kaya
What
sabi ko,
happened to work?
no, it's just na dumire-diretso, nabigay mo na lahat.
Oo, napagod
Life
ka.
happened.
Oo.
Napagod. Tapos parang there were also other issues I was dealing with. Na parang I just need a pause button, but you're not allowed to have a pause button. That's what's sad. You're not allowed to have a pause button. You're not allowed to say, teka lang ano muna ako?
Why are you not allowed to have a pause button? We are all allowed to have a pause
That's
button.
what I was under the impression, I was in the
Baka
impression
dapat
about,
yun baguhin, para hindi tayo ma-burn out, tas bigla na lang maduro
Or
tulad
ma-implode.
ng Tuesday at
Mag-implode.
sumabog Kasi baka sometimes we feel like bawal tayo mag-pause. Hindi po.
Yes.
Sa work man yan, sa pagiging nanay man yan, sa pagiging asawa, sa pagiging kaibigan, even sa podcast natin, di ba? I told you, there was a time, parang few weeks ago, Sama, okay lang, pahinga muna tayo.
sabi ko, go.
May ganun kami. Kasi lahat tayo deserves a break, deserves a pause button. Yung pag-feeling mo, kahit hindi yung malapit na sumabog
I
yung
think,
hindi ka papagod, pwede kang mag-pause nang hindi ka papagod. Wag
Correct.
yung pagpagod na, doon kayo magpapahinga.
I think one of the things I've been doing, which has also been helping me, is I've been avoiding my phone a little bit more.
Yes.
Dati kasi I found myself and I caught myself,
Checking and
Wala
checking.
check. To the point na wala na akong pakialam. So, wala na akong pakialam sa check ko eh.
True.
Okay, may nakita kasi ganito, may ganyan, may ganito, ganyan. O ito, magandang ganyan. Pero do I really care? No.
Yun yung tinatanong ko kanina kay Tuesday nung nag-CR kami. Sabi ko, tingin mo yung nangyayari ngayon? Kasi sabi niya, grabe na yung mundo, no? Sabi ko, nga climate change girl, no? Sabi niya, siguro kaya laging mainit yung tao. It also has something to do with social media.
Yeah, oo. Tingnan mo mga kapatid natin sa komedya, tinutuligsa sila ngayon ng mga followers nila, mga so-called fans. Tapos, they're also destroyed right now. If I talk to my friends na ang function nila sa industriya ay magpatawa, sila yung mga sirang-sira,
Kumbaga, they're
sirang-sira
waiting for you to make a
here.
mistake.
Yeah, kasi
you don't
dahil lahat ng tao may opinion sa ginagawa mo. Bawal na to.
Bawal na
na to
to.
pag-usapan.
Correct.
Nakaka-offend kay ganito, ganyan.
Di mo na alam, ano pang pwedeng ipagpatawa?
Correct.
Oo.
Oo.
Kasi
Parang
lahat
sino ba
bawal.
ma-offend ko mamaya? Makakancel na ba ako? May mga ganun.
Exactly. Baliktad din naman. Seryoso, hindi siya nakakatawa.
Oo
Baliktad naman
naman.
pag wala ka na, diba? Parang,
True.
putya, ano gusto nyo?
Oo. Hindi mo na
Ano ba
alam
talaga?
sa
Ano ba talaga gusto nyo?
kalulugan.
Diba? Nag-aabot ka sa point na gano'n eh. Ano ba talaga gusto nyo?
Okay,
Diba?
balikan natin yung healing mo. Sabi mo, hindi ka naman nagmamadali to be okay. Pero kung 100% yung okay na okay, nasan ka ngayon?
Siguro nasa mga wala pang 50, mga 35. Oo. Long way to go. Kasi every session I have with my therapist, may bagong realization. Tapos, ito lang, recently, actually every Tuesday ang aking, diba, nakakaloka yung pinili ng therapist
Okay,
ko
wow.
na araw.
Di mo makakalimutan.
mas may meaning na yung pangalan ko kasi this is therapy day, Tuesday. So, every Tuesday, nagme-meet kami. Tapos, every session, meron kaming bagong na tatackle.
Unearth.
So, the last one was about boundaries. Okay, so, dun ko na wala pala akong boundaries. Wala.
Teka, expound mo yan.
Wala.
Maraming tao, I think, do not know
Na wala
the
silang
term.
boundary.
They don't even know what a boundary is.
Ganda.
For
Wala.
that matter.
Or yun
Pag-usapan
nga,
natin
na
yan.
walang boundary ka pala.
Wala
Na
pala.
Wala nalaman. Paano? Paano? Explain further.
Kunyari, you're a public person. Kunyari, nasa mall ka, nag-grocery ka kasi nanay ka, di ba? Tuesday, picture. Okay po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay pa. Pag 100 na yung hindi ka na natapos sa ginawa mo, yung...
At may gagawin ka pa.
Iirit na yung ulo mo, di ba? Pero pumapayag pa rin ako.
How do you set boundaries for something like
I
that?
don't know how to say no.
Ha? Ever?
Ever.
Uy, ako sa akin talagang minsan nga, first pa lang eh. Teka po, ay nahabol ko yung anak ko yung mamaya.
Nahihirapan
Ganon.
ako.
So ngayon, pinapractice mo yun.
Yes. Pero, nagsimula ako na parang, kumakain po ako eh. Okay lang po ba? Yung ganun.
Na maayos naman sinasabi. Oo.
Kasi dati parang, oo ako pero yung mukha ko. Ganun tayo.
I think as Pinoys,
pilit na
problema
yung
ng
mukha.
Pinoy, we have a problem saying no.
Yeah, hindi ako makano. Wala akong boundaries.
Not like in other countries. Okay, no. No offense.
lang, true.
Wala. No is no. Dito, lagi may problema if we say no. Kasi parang,
Pag no
punta ka sa
negative.
birthday ko ha, mamayang gabi. No, busy ako.
Sama naman.
Sama mo
Grabe
na.
ka
Kaya,
naman.
kaya ang
In-invite
isasagot
ka na nga.
natin, subukan ko.
Oo, kaya nga yung text.
Susubukan. Kahit
Diba?
na alam mong di ka pupunta, ang sinasabi pa rin susubukan.
Why is it so hard for people to set boundaries?
We're people pleasers. Pilipino
Amen.
kasi utak alipin. Sorry po pero yung colonization, all of that, it conditioned our minds that we have to please a certain higher up.
True.
Or everyone in front of us. So dapat lahat kalmado lang. Kung ako yung magiging cause ng tension, hindi ko yun gagawin, di ba? Parang, eto yung laging sinasabi ng mga nanay natin, nakakahiya.
Oh my God,
Ano ka ba,
oo.
hindi mo na binigyan ng kahihiyan ng pamilya? Yung
Oh
ganon.
my gosh, correct!
So, rather than feeling that na ikaw yung cause ng gulo, edi, opo, sige po.
Sige na lang.
Opo. Children are meant to be seen, not heard.
And this even happens with work, ha?
Yeah, so we're your bosses,
yung
diba?
boss mo, utusan ka, pasok ka ng Sabado, and you know very well na that's your only rest day for the week or one of the 2 rest days out of 7. Sinabi ng boss ko so parang
At saka pag si boss nagsabi, bawal humindi.
bawal humindi kasi kailangan mong...
Pero sa ibang bansa, hindi ganun. Hindi nga nila tinatawag na sir or mama mga boss nila
And
doon.
dito, they'll actually...
First name basis, di ba?
And dito, they'll do it without overtime. Kasi, ni-request eh. Diba in other countries, sige, I'll go to work on Saturday, pero that's already, that's a different thing already kasi hindi na to kasama sa regular work. No offense, let's keep professional, but this is not part of what I signed up for. Or let's say, okay, ang trabaho mo dito, lights and audio, diba? Or let's say, marketing, pinapagawa ka ng trabaho.
Ibang bagay.
Let's say,
Na hindi mo na job
hindi mo
description.
job description. In the Philippines, that's a very hard thing to say no to kasi we have the fear na magagalit boss mo, walang ka ng trabaho, may magtatampo. Yung boundaries para sa atin, ang hirap ilagay.
Hirap iset. And you know what? When you keep on doing that to yourself, sasabihin mo, okay lang to. One
For
time
now.
becomes twice, becomes 3 times.
Hanggang maging habit na.
Meron kang maliliit na resentment na nabibuild up towards that person na ina-abuse ka. Tapos akala mo okay lang until one day,
Boom.
nasapak mo na. Until one day, nabungangaan mo, ikaw sira, ulo ka, matagal mo na itong ginagawa. Tapos nagkagulo na sa
Hindi
office.
imposible mangyari yun.
Correct. So, dapat, maliit pa lang siya,
Na-address
sasabihin
na.
mo na
Oo.
this is not okay.
This is not right.
Kasi if tinuloy-tuloy natin to, baka ganito mangyari sa atin. Don't say na hindi kita winarningan, pero kasi pag naulit pa to, aalis ako. Ganon. Tapos naulit pa ulit. Tapos naghahanap ng explanation. Nasa si Tuesday? Ano nangyari? Bakit ka nag-quit? Bakit ka umalis? 3 beses na ako nagpaliwanag. I can't keep on explaining myself. You hired me for a reason. You became my friend for a reason. You know me. I said my piece. Pag hindi mo pa rin naiintindihan, you're not supposed to be a part of my life. Ganon na siya. So, it's either tiisin ko ba habang buhay ba to? Or ngayon pa lang, sasabihin ko na ng malumanay, I'm okay with being disliked. Learn to be okay being disliked.
Amen.
Wow.
Super duper yes.
Oo. Pero mahirap i-practice.
No, hindi totoo yun.
Totoo yun. I agree with you. Pero,
Super duper yes
pero
to
ang
that.
hirap i-practice.
It's
Ang hirap
okay
i-practice.
not to be
Kasi-
liked by everyone. At saka talagang gano'n naman.
But we're living in the world
Kapag
kasi.
tinanggap mo na ang lahat ng tao hindi ka gusto, mas magiging masaya buhay mo.
Mas at peace ka.
Mas at peace ka kasi
And okay
hindi mo
lang.
kailangan i-prove
Okay
yung
lang.
sarili mo.
Yes. Tsaka people pleasing, it's such a parang a tiring thing to do.
It is. I think for the
Nakakapagod
three of us, we're in that industry where it's part of our job to do
Yes.
that. So people don't understand the downside of it. What goes on behind the scenes because ang nakikita nila yung front eh. Diba? You have to be likable. You have to be, kahit let's say you post something, it has to be likable. It has to be medyo maayos yung tsura mo. But it's coming to a point you forget that these are also people.
Yes.
Tao rin to, may boundaries din to. They also need their space, they need their time. They need to get their shit together.
Totoo. Hindi mo responsibilidad ang healing ng ibang tao. Hindi mo din responsibilidad na tamain yung mga mali nilang ginagawa, behavior, or kung ano man, decision nila sa buhay. The only thing you're responsible for is
Is your
yourself.
life.
Your life. Yun lang. Wala nang iba.
I think what we're picking up from this is, I mean, ang dami na discuss na points. Very,
Sobra.
very
Pause
important.
button. Ito yung mga natin, ha, words na pakaigihan ninyo. I-note
Pause.
nyo lahat. Pause button. Boundaries.
Meme na to bukas.
Diba?
Meme na to bukas.
Pero dahil mahaba-haba na to, let's talk on the next episode, yung healing process niya. Nasa 35% na siya ngayon. What I wanna know is, what are you doing now para ma-achieve mo si 100%? Or kahit hindi 100, close to being 100.
Right now, 3-prong. 3-prong.
Mamaya
pause natin to.
Pause natin yan.
Okay.
Dahil mamaya makakasama pa rin natin sa next episode, makakasama pa rin natin si Miss Tuesday Vargas.
The healing.
Dami pa
The healing.
The healing. Let's talk about the healing.
Gago, susunod dapat the healer.
Nakakaloka
Susunod the healer.
Parang
Uy,
Judiel.
You know why? Kasi dito sa episode na to, we talk about the problems. Let's talk about the healer.
Correct. The healer. Diba?
Alam pumilala, mga bendita.
Tsaka pag-usapan natin mama yung mga political views niya. And then I also wanna know yung kanyang comment
Dami
dito sa
pa.
kinasasangkutan ni Vice Ganda
Okay.
about
Interesting,
the DDS issue, the holiday Chenis Chorba. Mamaya yan sa next episode na.
Yes.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.